Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. I am very excited about this new beautiful box design. I love these colors. And so this is my first Ipsy that I have gotten this month. I will also be getting my Ipsy clam bag. And it's crazy that now I just get 2 subscriptions a month when I used to subscribe to every Ipsy and Boxycharm available. So this is looking like a big box. I'm very excited to get into it, but if you like beauty subscription unboxings, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I recently signed up for ice cream beauty for the first time, so I'll be getting that soon as well, and I'm very excited about that. I've heard such great things, gotten a lot of great recommendations for that one. But let's go ahead and see how this one is. Ooh, okay, their product information on top here looks like it's had a revamp as well. Not exactly product information specific to the products I'm getting in this box, but just some like beauty tips it looks like. Okay, let's see what I got for products. Also, I like to show you, this is how it came packaged. Sometimes I would get like that paper confetti, sometimes I'd get no packaging materials. Looks like this is all I got in mine this time. Okay, there's a few products in this bag here. Let's see what this is. Oh, and it's sealed together too, so it must be a... Is this a combo pack? Ooh, these are really pretty brushes. I typically don't like to get brushes in Boxycharm or Ipsy, but these have this really pretty crystal handle. And they're like it's a luxury eyeshadow brush set. So yeah, all eye brushes here. I just don't like to get brushes because I have way too many of them, but these actually look very nice. And then the other product that was in there is the Give Them Lala Beauty, the Baby Palette. I am excited to get this because I recently tried out the Give Them Lala setting spray, and that video is up here on my YouTube channel, and I was blown away by it. It was so good, so I'm excited to try out more from this brand, and I love a palette. Let's see what kind of palette this is. Ooh, an eye palette, I think, although the shades in here could definitely work as blushes as well. Not my favorite eye colors, so I probably do want to find some other uses for this, whether I turn it into like a lip color, blushes, but big pans here. So I'm not going to swatch this or try this right now because I like to do full dedicated review videos on the makeup products that I get in my beauty subscriptions here on my YouTube channel. I used to do a new makeup product every day, but now I'm back to about an every other day cadence. So if you also like makeup reviews, then you are in the right place, and please subscribe to my channel. So yes, I am excited to try this one out. All right, next I'm pulling out, this is from Ace Beauté Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. I do really like trying out setting sprays, so I'll give this a go. I've tried out quite a few products from Ace Beauté and cruelty-free. Next, I've got from the brand Kat Berkey. I don't think I'm very familiar with this brand. Silk Protein Primer. Ooh, I also love trying out primers, seeing if they make any difference in how my skin and my makeup looks. And this one looks like it would be pricey, just based off the packaging. Yeah, it's very beautiful, like a glass bottle here. Let's see, with a pump. Yeah, I wish my product information sheet gave me the retail value, but I can look at my app. I don't really want to spoil the rest of the products in my box, but I'm gonna go for it. Okay. The Kat Berkey Silk Protein Primer. Oh my gosh, retail value of $54. Okay, you know what is interesting? The Give Them Lala Beauty and the Eloise brush set are not part of my 5 products that I got in my Boxycharm box according to the app. And I'm wondering if these brushes are some sort of gift with purchase, because I definitely would not redeem points for brushes. I cannot remember if I redeemed points for the Give Them Lala palette. That's something I probably would have done. But okay, let's get on to the other products that I got in my box. I also got this Neen Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter in the shade Meta. This seems so familiar. I do love trying out highlighters. So this just like, it's so light. Maybe it's like a whipped formula or something. It almost like feels empty. But I have not tried out products yet from this brand, Neen. This here is from the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever. Now this one seems small. Maybe, did I redeem? So this, I think I did redeem Ipsy points to get the Beauty Crop BFF Clear Brow Gel. I use a brow gel every day, so I like to try out different ones, and a clear is a safe one to try out. But so then I also got, as part of my Boxycharm box, the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. Wow, the brand Wing Me is also new to me, I think. So let's see what this one looks like. That is so funny. I got 2 clear brow gels in this box. Ooh, this looks very nice. It's big. It's this kind of frosted glass effect, even though it's plastic packaging, but it just looks so much more elevated compared to the other one I got here, the Beauty Crop. Even though this one has that pretty pink with hearts top, I just think this one looks so nice. So I am not mad about getting 2 brow gels, because I love brow gels and filling in my brows. All right, and then the last product in here, this big Ciate London palette. I cannot believe I still seem to get Ciate London every single month in Ipsy. I just can't believe there's still products that I haven't gotten yet. This here, the Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. I have not tried out, but I am excited about this. Oh my gosh. This palette is huge, and oh, I'm very excited about the colors in here. There's a lot of shimmer and metallic, a lot of nice neutrals, but then some great pops of color. But I love more like that purpley gold. So those are some of my favorite eyeshadow colors to wear. So this palette, this color story is definitely appealing to me more than the Give Them Lala Beauty palette. So, oh my gosh, I got so many products that are going to be so fun to play around with. I can't wait to try these out in videos very soon. But I got a lot of products here. So if there are products that you want me to review first, just let me know in the comments down below. No, okay, I'm going to do a quick recap, and I'll first show you the products that are part of my Boxycharm box, and then I'll show the products that are the extra bonus redeemed with my points maybe products. So yes, the Ciate London Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. I also got the Kat Berkey Silk Protein Primer, the Neen Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter, the Ace Beauté Seal It Setting Spray, and the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. And then my other products, the Give Them Lala Beauty Baby Palette, the Beauty Crop Brow Gel, and the Eloise Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what your thoughts are on them, if you have any tips for when I go to use them, and let me know what you got in your July 2023 Boxycharm box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.